Prolonged sitting is not good for your health, but stationary standing has its own problems also. Gymba is an activation board that aims to alleviate those problems. Gymba's curvature provides you possibility to move sideways, and it is also flexible the other way, enabling walking-like movements. So today we are going to test what is the muscle activation with Gymba board, what is the energy expenditure while you use it, and how active you actually are when using it.
From the lower leg, we are measuring muscle activity using traditional EMG electrodes. The muscle activities of the thigh muscles are measured using EMG swords, and movement is measured using Fibion technology. For the systemic level effects, we are measuring heart rate based parameters. Here, on the black window, you see muscle activity of left and right knee extensors and flexors. On the lower window, you see muscle activities of lower leg muscles. During sitting, we see no spikes in muscle activity in any of the 8 muscles measured. When standing up, you can see considerably increased muscle activity. However, during static standing, muscle activity is much lower and of static nature. This highlights the importance of changing of position and posture. When using Gymba casually while working on a computer, we can see considerable and varying muscle activity in the leg muscles. Then, during continuous and deliberate Gymba use, we can see still higher and more rhythmic muscle activity, which is of similar magnitude as during walking. When comparing all 5 test conditions side by side, we can clearly see lack of muscle activity during sitting, rather static muscle activity of standing, and high and varying activity of Gymba use and walking.
In this small-scale experiment with very accurate electromyography instruments, we showed that Gymba is better than sitting or standing. Its use results in higher muscle activity, but also to higher muscle activity variability, which is good for you. Using Gymba closely mimics the muscle activity patterns of walking, and in the long run these acute effects might be beneficial to prevent musculoskeletal problems also.